Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Muhammad Hanan and I'm a third year computer science student at University of Leia. So today I'm excited to introduce you to Amazon S3, one of the most important cloud service for storage. So over the few next minutes we will understand what is Amazon S3, what is cloud storage, why local storage is not enough, and how Amazon S3 solves these problems. And most importantly, as a student, why we need to learn it. But before moving on to what Amazon S3 is, let's first understand the idea of cloud storage. So, what is cloud storage? In simple words, cloud storage is about storing the data over the internet instead of keeping the files on physical machine that can be accessed anytime from anywhere. But as a student, we need to store the data like assignments, images, project files, and most of the time we are storing it on our local devices like laptops or the USBs. But what is the problem with that? With the passage of time, as our data grows and it becomes more important for us, and relying on the local storage starts creating the problems, which is where cloud storage becomes useful. So now let's compare the local storage with the cloud storage. Local storage is limited. Once your disk is full, that's it. It's also risky because devices can be crashed or damaged. Cloud storage, on the other hand, is scalable, reliable, and accessible through the internet, and you don't need to worry about the storage limits or losing the important files. This is why cloud storage has become a foundation of the modern applications and systems. So now let's move towards our actual topic, which is Amazon S3. Now we have understood the cloud storage. Let's talk about the Amazon S3. Basically, it stands for the Simple Storage Service. Uh, it's an it's a cloud storage service provided by the Amazon Web Services, where uh, where the data is stored inside the containers called buckets, and you can store anything on the Amazon S3, and it can be accessible through the internet, and you can scale it as our data grows and it scales automatically. And there is a question that why a student should to learn it. So there are some benefits that learn real world cloud storage concepts, pay as you go. Basically, Amazon Web Services uses this model, so it means that you don't need to pay the upfront cost. You have to pay only for what you are using. So scales as your project grows, and used in the academic and the industry projects, beginner friendly for the cloud learning. So that's a great entry point towards the cloud computing. So that was a simple introduction to the cloud storage and Amazon S3. I hope this helped you to understand why cloud storage matters and how Amazon S3 can be useful for the students. Thanks for watching.